Actually, speaking of Lyndon, let's give Lyndon the floor because he handled a bonus session that was a gift to so many of us, and I'm going to see that video soon. But Lyndon, let's have everybody shut off their cameras except for Lyndon, so we can take a picture of him as our bonus session leader. Everyone else is shutting off their cameras, and I'm going to put you in the spotlight because I can be sure that we've got a picture of you.
Well, that's very kind of you. It was a terrific group, and we had a spirited discussion about the possibilities of forgiveness, even in incredible situations. So, yeah, thank you.
Anna, do you have that picture? I hope so. Sorry, I interrupted.
Yeah.
Captured.
Okay.
Good job.
That's very kind. Thank you.
Thank you, Lyndon. You're an inspiration. I'll never, I will always carry with me this concept of becoming a better ancestor in our work and forgiving ourselves and forgiving others. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
And now